basketball. That's one thing I will always remember coming back to this place.
Rich.
Yeah. Yeah, I got tired of hearing that. Yeah, it was over with.
Yeah, well, I came up in there as a bad boy.
Yeah, that was out here.
Just a physical team. Yeah, Joe Dumas, Isaiah Thomas, tough squad to play against, no question. Joe Dumas, I think, by far was my toughest defender. You know, just how he gauged his distance. You know, so I definitely remember that.
Yeah, they played real. Like Sean said, when they do what the dark skinned dude name, what's his name? Man, Sean, he said Detroit basketball, they pop, they yeah, good dude, and they do them fireworks.
I didn't like coming to Detroit.
I had a flashback, I just seen Chelsea and being out there.
Well, you know, marriage is a roller coaster. It's up and down. And if you think about how many people has been married for 50 years, they have to get a great relationship with their partner, and they stay together by loving each other, trying things new, staying wanting. You know, a lot of people go in their households and they might sleep in different rooms. They might want to miss each other. You do that. My grandparents did that. You know, my mom and dad did that. They found a way to love each other at all points. And that's what you have to do, because you're not going to have a good household. And I know Larry knows that. But he's going to have to be good and she's going to have to be good too. And they're just going to have to love each other and work things out. Keep things in your house. Don't call your mama, don't call your daddy, don't call your sister, don't call your girlfriend talking about this man, I did this. You know what I'm saying? Leave that mess in your house, man, and work it out between yourself. And then you're going to have a good relationship. Because my daughter's about to get married, and I told her the same thing. You know, I don't want to be hearing about nothing. As long as he don't put his hands on her, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? That's all I don't want. So as long as they got a problem, that's their problem in their house. And keep it there. Don't call me and ask me about it.
Ryan McNeil, Athletes Unfiltered. This question is for Catino and Q. I've enjoyed you, Catino, on Fox Sports this year,
thanks.
doing some commentary. and Q doing some radio with her ESPN and Knuckleheads podcast. With both of you guys being busy off the court, how are you enjoying that media experience? And then also, why is coming back on the court this summer still an important thing for both of you?
Well, Q, you want to go first? Well, I mean, for me, it's just the camaraderie. This is my sanctuary. This is my church, and if I have my peers with me, there's issues behind closed doors that we all go through as human beings, and when I get to be with them on weekends, I kind of release, my anxiety, my stress, or whatever it is, and having fun in the studio, whether I'm in Fox or ESPN or whatever it is always a joy, and it's new to me. And Corey Maggette and Jimmy Jackson kind of pushed me to start doing that, and I thank them for that. And as far as I'm just speaking for myself, but I'm pretty sure my guys, share the same. I seen Birdman yesterday, and he was super happy, smiling, and that's just who he is.
No, that doesn't happen.
But mucho take it easy. But Q can finish off.
Yeah, I would agree with what Kat said, man. For us, basketball is, no matter how old we get, even when we old enough to where we can't play anymore, we still gonna wish we could get out there and play and get that thrill again. But as far as being on ESPN and Knuckleheads, man, that's something that I kind of stumbled into. And once I started doing the Knuckleheads, I enjoyed it. So, you know what I'm saying? I was really just trying to be like 50, you know what I'm saying? He up there looking good behind the mic. I said, let me try it too. Let me try it too. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
First, I appreciate you asking that because I was going to say something after your last question about Coach. I think locker rooms can absolutely handle it. We're seeing that now with the Spurs and Becky Hammond and, other people being implemented. But I just want to take this time to talk about our coach and why I think she's the best. This started about, a month ago or so. We started getting emails about plays and tendencies and stuff we doing. Like, nobody else in the league is doing it. I know this because I'm peers with everybody and I talk to them and I ask them. She does an amazing job of being ready. She come in with cards. She's as prepared as any coach. I done played for Stan Van Gundy's, Larry Brown, Mike D'Antoni, Alvin Gentry, some great coaches. She's right up there with any of them. She can coach with any of them. Right now in the league, in any league, NBA, BIG3, whatever you want to call it, Coach Lieberman is the real deal. She knows whatever she needs to know, and she is prepared as anybody, and she makes sure that we're prepared. What you see out there on that court is a product of what she's doing. We go out there and play together because that's the way she coaches and that's the way she has us out there playing. She deserves all the credit for what's going on with us. I mean, obviously we go play, but the way she gets prepared and the way she takes it serious and the way she wants to win, that's always her first thing. We coming out here to win, the way we play. That was what she told us from the start today.
Yeah, my emails are flooded with
plays, tendencies, everything.
Who got drafted?
What got the changes?
I know where my shots were.
Everything. And she's not a full staff. She is herself, and she's doing it.
Well, really quick before we leave, because we're gonna go back to this, but we were raised by women, especially at a young age, and we had our fathers, and a lot of us had our fathers around us, but the women were the backbone of all of us growing up. So if you can't listen to your mother, right?
What's wrong with you?
Something wrong with you. So Nancy is that leader for us, and it's an updue respect that we have for her, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the other guys would have that same if they had a coach like her.